Hello everyone, I am Santhosh. My project name is Fix My Home. Fix My Home is a home appliances service management system developed using React.js for the frontend, Django REST Framework for the backend, and MySQL as the database. The main objective of this project is to simplify the process of registering complaints, assigning technicians, and tracking service requests. The system contains three different modules: customer module, technician module, and admin module. A customer can create an account by selecting the customer role during the registration. After successful registration, the customer can log in by using their credential. After login, the customer can raise a complaint by selecting the product category such as AC, TV, refrigerator, washing machine, water purifier, and other appliances. At first, the customer selects the product type. Once the complaint is submitted, the complaint is stored in the database. The customer can also view all previously raised complaints and track the current complaint status. The customers also update their profiles in their profile page. The admin can log in using the admin account. After login, by clicking complaint list on the top nav bar, the admin can view all complaints raised by the customers. When a complaint is received, the admin can assign a technician to that particular complaint. The system also contains specialization-based technician assignment. A technician can create an account by selecting the technician role during the registration. After login, the technician can view all assigned jobs. The technician can open a complaint and view also the customer details. The technician can update the complaint information such as actual problem found, spare parts used, service charge, and payment status and complaint status. Once the work is completed and payment is received, the complaint status can be marked as completed.